Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It's gonna be Monday motivational menu ideas favorite video when y'all get this, and I'm gonna show y'all something that I absolutely love. This is a hidden treasure for me in the country, and even now as adulthood, growing up, it's quail bread. This is so underrated. If people have fried quail bread with some gravy, they wouldn't eat chicken. They wouldn't eat chicken fried steak anymore. I'm gonna do a chicken fried quail breast, y'all. Yeah, chicken fried quail bread. You know, quail is very little. I've had these, matter of fact, I bought these like this, but I grew up, of course, my daddy would bring them home by the buckets full. My mama would clean them, and we would make them fried, or she'd make dumplings with them. But I absolutely love quail, especially the breast. You can also, y'all, you know, you can take them, wrap them with jalapenos and cheese, and put some bacon around it and grill it. That's good eating. Jalapeno quail breast, white bacon. But today I'm frying it, y'all. I'm gonna make some skillet gravy. After I fry them off, very simple, y'all. I'm gonna season them off here season them off here first. Put them in my big bowl here where I can get them all good and seasoned here. I'm gonna use my shake here. Old school shake, Uncle Steve shake. You know, if you don't know how to get that, go to oldschoolsoulfood.com. It's a video pop up, show exactly how to get it. Put a little cabinets on there, and kosher salt and white pepper, y'all. Kosher salt, white pepper, very, very easy. We're gonna mix this up in here, and y'all, I'm gonna coat it with some. We're gonna coat it with some whole buttermilk. Try to find the whole buttermilk as possible, y'all, because it coats better on the meat. That low-fat buttermilk just doesn't coat. It doesn't coat enough. It doesn't stick to the meat. It's too watery. So I always use the whole-fat buttermilk. That way you ain't gotta use no eggs. So we're gonna put a little buttermilk on there. Let that set there just a second while I put this up. Now I got my oil heating up over here, y'all. And what I'm gonna do, let me put this buttermilk up while I got time while my oil's heating up. Time to mess around here. Okay. Let that hang out there a little bit. Mix it up a little bit more. Righty. And leave, I want curious in the comments, y'all, who's eating quail, because I grew up on it. You just go quail hunting, 12 gauge. Get you a dog, kind of shimmer them out, but if you don't, just throw something in there and let them go to the air, and you got you some good old quail, y'all. Okay, now, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put them in my bag here. We're gonna shake them up in here and coat them really, really good. See if I can get them all in here, y'all. Get them all up in here. Dirty flour lady, get ready, because I'm going to make some gravy out of this flour. Y'all know I ain't heard from the dirty flour lady in a long time. So get her ready, y'all. She's going to be mad today. So we're going to shake this up here. All shook up in there, y'all. Now, we're going to go to our oil over here. We're just going to put them right in the oil, y'all. We're going to fry them just like chicken fried steak. Nothing. How simple is this, y'all? How simple is this? These things don't take long, because it's little thin quail breast. They don't take long at all, y'all. 2 or 3 minutes on each side. They good to go. But what I'm gonna do after they brown, I'm gonna take them off, and I'm gonna put them on a sheet pan with a rack, throw them in the oven a little bit, let them hang out in the oven a little bit, and then while I make my gravy, what I want to do is get it golden brown on each side, and while y'all watching that, let me get this out there. I'm gonna keep y'all here till turn them over. save my flour, of course, like I say, because we're gonna make some skillet gravy to go with it. I'm telling y'all, nothing better than some grilled quail with some gravy. Get you some bread with that. That's all I need. I don't need no vegetables. I don't need nothing. I eat them just like that. I actually could eat all 9. And what I mean I got in here? 2, 4, 6, 8. I could do every one of them. So move this around a little. Alrighty. Let me grab my milk while y'all watching that for my gravy. See that, y'all? Make a nice golden brown. And how you know when it's time to turn? You'll see the blood come up on the other side of the chicken or whatever you're cooking. So this instinct is quail. That's when you know it's time to turn them over. Now I don't know in your area, wherever y'all are from, if quail is accessible. But here in Texas, you can get quail in every supermarket, pretty much. It's just a staple here in the South, especially this time of year. Because I go to a special place. I go to BLVD and get all I want. I still want to get a nice little golden brown color. And like I say, y'all, these don't take long at all. Quail, you definitely don't want to overcook it. If you overcook it, it's definitely going to get tough. We're going to turn it over a little here. I definitely don't want to overcook them. Remember, I'm going to finish them in the oven, y'all, so I don't want to get them too dark. All right. Nice golden brown color. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Once I take them out, put them in the pan, we'll go from there. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, I'm going to take them off of here and put it on the rack here. Because what it is, I'm going to let them finish cooking in the oven. Reason is because I'm going to let them cook while I do this gravy. And I don't want them to dry out on me. So they undercooked slightly, y'all. You can still see they need a little bit more to go. So that's why I'm going to put them in the oven here. Got a little oil here. I'm going to put it in the oven. All right. Get that in the oven now. I'm going to take some of this oil out of here, y'all, because I don't want all this oil in here. I'll make my gravy. Okay. We're going to make some gravy right quick. Like I say, the dirty flour lady, she need to get upset. Cause we going in with this dirty flour. We're going to use the same flour we use the bread. If y'all don't know the dirty flour joke, y'all new to the channel. Now we're going to move this around a little. Get that nice and move around a little there. I don't want to brown this, y'all. Definitely don't want to brown this stuff. That's why I'm going in right now with my half and half. I want a cream gravy. I don't want a brown gravy. So that's why we're putting the milk before it gets brown. I'm actually using half and half. It's going to be even more of a thicker gravy. Okay. Move that around. Got them little bits in there with that's all this flavor, y'all. Okay, we're gonna let that simmer a little here. We're gonna get us some salt and pepper. Turn this down. I like the gravy thick too, so I don't want it too thin, I don't want it too thick. Alrighty, let that simmer. Let me grab my salt and pepper here. Y'all know I love my black pepper in my gravy. It's the only time y'all see me using black pepper when I make gravy. I don't like it in my cooking at all because it doesn't digest well. I use white pepper. I told y'all the story. That's how black pepper, so it doesn't digest. You actually, and I've done this when I didn't have money and I had a radiator leak in an old truck of mine, and they say pour black pepper in and stop the leak. It stopped the leak for about a year, y'all, before I got it fixed. That show you how it doesn't digest, it doesn't disintegrate. Black pepper just sits there. That's why I don't use a lot of it in my cooking. Okay, let's try this here. A little bit more black pepper here. White pepper and salt. A little bit more milk in here. That should just about do it, y'all, I think. Let's see here. Perfect. Now, take this off, y'all. Let it simmer. And when we come back, we're gonna have the quail gonna be ready, gonna be all plated up. And we're gonna try it out and see how it is. We'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we back here. All right, 2 plates here. This, I can eat all these, y'all. Check this out. See that? Nice, perfectly tender with the gravy here, y'all. I'm gonna try the one next to me. Of course, I mean, you don't have to use your knife and fork. See, it's perfectly cooked inside. And what I like to do, y'all, take it, dip it in the gravy. It's like a chicken fried steak, but it's 10 times better than chicken fried steak, y'all. And this is hot, hot, hot. I'm about to burn my mouth, but okay. Goodness. Goodness, y'all. I'm telling you, you know how juicy it is, tender. People ask what quail tastes like. It tastes like a cross between duck and chicken, really. If you want to say that. And it has an oyster texture. Ever eat fried oysters? Or texture at the end? A tender texture. Look what it is. Let me try one more bite. How it is?
Yeah.
Okay. You never eat quail before. Remember, you guys standing in front of the camera.
Yeah.
But anyway, y'all, we got access to quail.
I'm good.
You are in front of the camera.
I'm in front of it?
You are. Back up so the people see the food. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022. Have a blessed, 2022. Helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. Y'all have a blessed week. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.